Sonnet 2. When 40 winters shall besiege thy brow, and dig deep trenches in thy beauty's field, thy youth's proud livery, so gazed on now, will be a tattered weed, of small worth held. Then being asked where all thy beauty lies, where all the treasure of thy lusty days, to say, within thine own deep-sunken eyes, were an all-eating shame and thriftless praise. How much more praise deserved thy beauty's use? If thou couldst answer this, fair child of mine, shall sum my count and make my old excuse, proving his beauty by succession line. This were to be new made when thou art old, and see thy blood warm when thou feelst it cold.
Click the link below for more classic poems. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more video tutorials.